Hey there, today I'm going to teach you how you can connect to your Salesforce CRM. So you're going to start by going into the settings, then you're going to choose integrations, and then you're going to open connect to Salesforce. After that, you're going to press on the first connect, which is the sync, and you will press it. Once you are connected, you can set up your deduplication settings. Basically, you can do it per lead, per contact, or per company. So for example, let's do it per leads. We're going to toggle this on, and then we're going to create a new field and filter it. So here you can put, for example, status. And then if it's equal to contacted, it means that each lead that you have in Salesforce that it's working contacted won't be reached out in Alta. If you want to add multiples of fields, you can use the in, and then it will let you the option to add more fields in this specific status. The same goes with contacts or companies. So for the company level, you will toggle this on, and you're gonna, for example, add a field that the type of this account equals customer, for example. So each company that you have in Salesforce that the account type is a customer direct will be reached out in Alta. Now the push settings works very similar. It works for leads, contacts, and companies. So for example, if you want to push the Alta contacts as leads, you're going to toggle this on, and then you want them to be pushed. So it can be on first outreach, on LinkedIn connection accepted, on positive reply, or on funds fetch. So if I select positive reply, then you can select what's the different fields that you would like to add. So for example, the status of the lead will always be static, meaning all the leads that are coming from Alta will have the same. And then you will be able to select here, will be open no contacts, for example. This value, you can add it in Salesforce, and then based on what you have in Salesforce, you can pick from here. Now, you can do the same per contacts, per companies. Now, these different toggles are if you want to push with those leads, emails, LinkedIn messages. Regarding the updating existing data, basically, if you have data in HubSpot that it will be different from what you have in Alta, if you toggle this on, the data of this prospect will be updated in Salesforce. The send on update will be, for example, if you here select push on first outreach and on positive reply, it means that on first outreach, the status will be open, and then this is not needed, but when the positive reply happens after the first outreach, the working will be added. It will replace the open. Hope this helps. See you in the next video.